Today we'll look at how to create this walk-by transition in Davinci Resolve. I'm in Davinci Resolve and I'm on the edit page here, and I have this footage of people walking on the street. I want to create a transition when the person walks by the camera, and I want to transition into this beach footage I have below it. So let's check out how to do that. First, I'll select my walking footage here of this person, and then I'll go to the Fusion page. So down here I'll click Fusion. I only need one viewer in this case, so I'll just click the button here. So I'll navigate to the part of my video that's right before I want the transition to happen. So let's back up a little bit. Probably right around there. Now I'm going to add a mask, and the mask will increase in size as she walks across the frame. So I'll click this button here, Polygon. I'll drag it onto my canvas, and I'll drag the output to the blue input of media in. Blue inputs are treated as masks. Now you can see my whole video got erased. Let's select the polygon again. I'll choose invert here, and now my video is showing again. I can now click and drag points onto my canvas. Now it's off the screen, so you're not going to see it. But then I'm going to move the playhead forward slightly. So let's get it there. And now we've automatically added a keyframe for our mask. And I can move the points into place. If I click on the middle of the line, that adds a new point. And you can see it's masking out the background. So let's do that. Just kind of get it roughly into place there. Let's scroll ahead a little bit further. Maybe there. Once again, I'll click to add more points. And I'll keep masking it out. Now I don't think you need to go frame by frame. Later on we'll look at a way of cleaning it up. Let's go forward again a little bit more. Maybe I'll click and drag it this way. I'll move this point up here. I recommend erring on the side of taking out too much of the leg as opposed to too little. Sometimes these control points can be a little tricky. You can always delete a point if it gets too messy. So let's see how it's looking so far. Okay, let's go a little bit further. Let's go like there. I'll just click and drag again. Again, you can take as much time as you want with this to make it nice and clean. Let's go a little bit further. And then finally, when she's totally out of frame, make sure everything is off the screen here, masking it all. Let's play through it. Whenever you see a part that needs a little bit of tweaking, just zoom in and fix it. Again, how much time you spend here really depends on how much quality you need. We can also smooth the edges of our mask. So with the polygon selected, I'll go to soft edge here and just smooth it up a little bit. Now let's go back to our timeline and put it above our other video. So go back to the edit tab. This is where I want the other video to start playing. I'll scroll back a bit. I'll slide the beach footage under here. Now let's play through. So you can see it does the wipe. If there's any Davinci Resolve topics you'd like to see a video on, let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.